Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can use AI to search for items online, for example using Google Lens on OnePlus 13R. So there are two options. The first one is to just take the picture and then scan it, or to take a picture and scan directly. So I already took one picture. I will show you the first way. So we go into photos. Now we tap on the picture that we would like to search for online, and like this Google Lens icon will appear right here. So we just need to tap on it, and it's going to show me results online. So I don't know, maybe you can on this one, and as you can see, the results are pretty accurate. Also, you can go straight into the camera, and then we tap on this icon, the second one from the right. So like this one. Grant access, open camera, and now just take a picture of the thing that we would like to search for, just like you would usually do. And as you can see, the results are also pretty satisfying. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.